Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I just wanted to go over really quickly like how to get ideas for print-on-demand products. So I know there's like a million ways to do this. I have right here, I've done like what are the most popular cars of all time? Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic. So if you wanted to make a shirt about a Toyota Corolla or a Ford Mustang, this is an easy way to find that. Zodiac stuff is very popular. You can look up like what people have already done. It's not you, it's your zodiac sign. Funny, right? So, you can get ideas from Googling like that. You can get ideas from asking what's most popular. You can find websites like this. Sorry, I don't have this loaded, but some of the most popular teachers in schools. This gives you ideas of what to make, you know, stuff about food. How about today? Let's make a food shirt. So, um, what I would do, like I'm thinking already right off the top of my head, I thought pizza, right? So I come over here to ChatGTP and I would just ask ChatGTP, um, give me 20 slogans that. Oh, here, just make it 20. Oop, funny slogans about pizza that I could put on a shirt. And we're going to use AI to make the thing. So here, that's it right there. Trust the crutz. You want a piece of me? Oh, that's funny. Want a piece of me? That's going to be it right there. Boom. But see, we already got 20 more. And ChatGPT, you could go, give me 20 more. Make them puns. I don't know, pizza puns. You know? See, it's way too long. This is like jokes. But you get the point. You can keep asking ChatGPT over and over and over again. Make them two words only. Still making them. Hold on. 2 words only. Nice and short. Topper titter. Tomato tickle. Need chuckle. I don't know. Anyways, I like this one. Want a piece of me. We can make a bunch of these, but this would be a great idea for how to get an idea, right? You can keep asking ChatGPT, and then, this is kind of how I find ideas of what to do. Look at websites like this. You can find different holidays. Obviously, work. Things that work really good is like professions. This one, jobs and professions. Let's see what happens when we go to this. Oh, they want me to sign up for some crap. Of course they do. Inside Factory. But jobs and professions. You can go. Well, let's just ask ChatGPT. Let's go full AI. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's get rid of this. Well, I like that one pizza thing, so let's keep that. But let's go. What are the most popular job professions? And girls buy stuff, so like nurses is a good one. Pharmacist. You can make a shirt like this. You could say their education. I mean, lots of them. Plumber, welders, electrician. Wives will buy like a lot of blue collar jobs. Wives will buy stuff for their yoga instructor. Wives will buy t-shirts for their husbands. But let's just go with that one and go. Give me 20 t-shirt ideas for pharmacists. Pill popping professional. Oh my god. RX Jedi. That's funny. RX Wizard. Dose Defender. Make them 3 words. Healing Vibe Dispenser. Oh my gosh. Prescription Prodigy. Chill Pill Professional. That's hilarious. So this is just a quick way to get some ideas. And that's about it. But in the next video I'm going to show you how to take a slogan that I found. This one, want a piece of me. Great one. The next video, I'm going to show you how to make that into like a already created design just by using this program called Ideogram. So subscribe, whatever, click the next video, and I'll show you how to make a design like this with one click.